Right guys, thank you and welcome back to another episode. If you tuned into the last one, you might have seen something like this, the shake and bake. If you haven't, go back into the profile, check it out and see what you think. But anyway, in today's episode, what I'm going to be doing slightly different is I reckon if you can get the cameras coming a bit closer, I reckon what I'm going to do today is build some kind of fire pit. So I reckon what I'm going to do is build just build some sort of raised base, something like that, I don't know, and then that, and then some sort of thing here, maybe fire. I might even have a red pen actually. Have I got a red pen? There you go. Yeah, some sort of fire there, maybe some kind of flue there, maybe some sort of seating area. I don't know, but I thought why not? Let's build a fire pit. Got loads of clay. I found some blue clay up in the quarry, which is just next door. So let's get on with it. Right, stop the time lapse. I had a bit of an issue with it. I finished it and then I actually put it on to a full bake. So I filled up with logs and I dried it out, and I think I was probably a little bit too impatient. So we've had a bit of a change. So we'll, as I'll show you actually, I'll flip the camera around. You see these, look at these massive heat cracks. And bearing in mind, this is 3 inches thick, this was. I've pasted up a couple at the back. But yeah, so what I'm doing now, I'm moving the flue so it sits more in the center of the actual build. And then I've just put a bit of chicken's rebar, chicken wire. So we tightened that up a bit, got Bear Cub with us, he's got a little bit involved as well. Got my old Go Faster stripes on. But yeah, so I hope you guys have liked it, but we've definitely changed it up loads more, haven't we, Bear? Hey? Hey? Oh yes. So hopefully it'll hold out this time. But I'll do some shots around it and you can see what it looks like. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, boy. Looking a lot sharper there. Well, I put a wooden beam sort of like a little, you know, support in the middle. Hopefully it shouldn't catch fire, because, you know, you shouldn't have a fire straight under that. So then that goes up there and then out through the flue. So got it all pasted up much better. I think it looks better now. It needs a little bit more work to it, but the bulk of it's done. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. I'm pleased with it. See if it works now. Oh, fingers in the way. But yeah, we'll let it dry up and we'll clean it up even more, and then we'll do some dreamy shots of it, get some food in there, get a pizza on the go, finish the flue. This should be good. Ah, nice one. now, buddy. You have a biscuit, your biggest pig going. Really, really pleased with it. It's really nice, and now just in time, because as you can probably tell, the light's dipping a little bit. We're going to sit here, have a cup of tea, feed the dogs some more biscuits. If you've not met them before, this one's Henry, this one's Buddy, and this one's Bear Cub. There's a couple more about at the moment. I think they're napping, but we'll get them in the next video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this one. We're going to sit now, have a cup of tea. Take it easy, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and stay safe. Bye bye. Clay, the houses, and the house. Ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Promise?
Promise.
Right, okay. Bear Cub, come here. What's this?
Hello.
Hello, mate. Leave it. Leave it.